This is Monday, November 2nd, 2020. This is one of the problems we have on the property is people that do work of their own and they're not really experts in doing it. This is an electrical conduit pipe that was recently installed by one of my neighbors in Unit 18. As you can see, there's just a hole drilled in the side of the box. There's knockout plugs in these boxes for these to go into, but he chose to drill a hole into it. And you can see this electrical conduit is zip tied to a water pipe, and it's not anchored to the wall like it should be. And what it's done, as you can see at the top, it was above this PVC water line that's running horizontally parallel to it. You can see it's zip tied all the way across, and the weight of the PVC pipe is pulling down on this water pipe, and it's actually cracked it. And you can't see the water leak that's occurring right now from up there, but I'm going to pan down to it and you can hear it hitting the ground. But this is one of the problems that we have. It's caused all these problems in the building, and I'm going to pan down to the water leak. And it's pretty cool with hardly any humidity this morning, so it's evaporating away pretty fast. But we can see if we can get the drip coming into the puddle here. In the middle of the screen, you can actually see the water dripping in. You might be able to hear it. It drips down right where that rope is at, and a little bit to the right of it. Now this just started because the weather got cold and everything contracted, and it made this conduit shrink up and contract, and it's thinking, you can see it goes into the unit next door to me, right on the other side of the gutter there. And again, this is the electrical conduit, not secured to the wall, hanging by zip ties on a water pipe. And this has been like this for a couple months, and Bruce knows about it. He sees it. He drives by here every day. He can't miss it. Couldn't have missed the guy putting it up. And that's this problem here. And this is the water leak now that we got to try to get Bruce to fix, because it's leaking and it's going to get worse here. And I got to get in and out of this unit, and it's kind of uncomfortable to do that with cold water leaking all over you. And it's going to progress from a leak to a steady flow in a matter of time. So we'll see what happens with this.